Hi everyone, hopefully you're doing well today. This is day 895 and early in the morning. So on my first HELOC, the balance today is $56,175.60. On HELOC 2 today is $54,79.23. That gives me a grand total for both HELOCs of about $107. Loan came in today, that's $50, added that to the HELOC, particularly this one here. I have to pay my rent today, so I'm going to move cash out of the HELOC, particularly this one. That's going to be $15,12.67, so the average daily balance will go up. That should leave me an overall balance of $105,142.16. Now, what was interesting today was that I opened up my account on my debt tool, and the major bank offered me a promotional low APR balance transfer. Now, just 3 or 4 days ago, my balance was at $74,26.51, and the credit card has a limit of $7,500. So let's see where I was at. So 74,26.51 divided by 7,500. I was at, a couple of days ago, I was at 99.2% on the credit card. I made a payment from my W-2 income, my entire paycheck, of $1,845.13. Now, I think some people have said on the internet where they made a lump sum payment and they slashed their credit. At least in this case, that did not happen. So now I accepted a low promotional APR, 0% for 12 months, 5% transfer fee. The PM ends 8/31/26, and then it'll be 28/24. However, the interest rate on the card now is about 23%, I think. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today on day 895 of my Velocity Banking journey. This is not for entertainment purposes. These are my actual numbers as I run down some of my debt. These are 2 of the home equity lines of credit that I have on my 2 investment properties. And I was able to get 4 investment properties when I was living in Atlanta. And I had a roommate that was paying me $400 a month for about 5 to 6 years we were together. And I was using that to pay down my debt, saving up money, and then acquiring other properties. So for some people, it can be done. That was the strategy that I used personally to get 4 properties. And now I have some rental income that's coming into, in addition to my W-2 income. So I am diversified across different asset classes. And I thank God for the money and the resources, because I prayed to try to get my financial house in order so that I can do some other things. And that's given me the ability to do microloans. So out of my HELOCs at a lower interest rate, I help some of my clients, we pay off debt, get their utilization down, and get them in a better life. So if you're interested in working with me and my team or see what we can do, I can guarantee improvements in the credit profile of you and lower interest rate if you just follow the system. And one of the main things in following the system is us establishing a budget with you to see where the money is going. So if you're interested in working with me and my team, just give me a call or an email. Have a great day. Bye-bye.